Hello and welcome to the BotPenguin. In this video, I will showcase you how you can set a particular language that the AI should detect the customer's language and respond in the same. So there is a settings for the same whenever you are going to use the AI in your chatbot. So you can trigger that settings on so that whenever a customer asks any particular question in any of the language, according to that language, the AI should respond. So to do that, simply you need to go to any of the chatbot where you have configured your AI. You will click on AI settings. Over here, you will get the second option of configure bot personality. Click on that option. And over here, you will get an option of persona. Click on the settings of this persona. Go to communication style. The fourth option here you will get is language. If you click on this option, there is an option of detects user language and respond in the same. So this is something that you can check mark from here, or if you want that customer should ask the question in the particular language, so you can select the particular language from here as well. So for now, I'm keeping it and update this. Once I do this, whenever I will talk with an AI, if I ask the question in Hindi, it will give me a response in Hindi. If I ask the question in English, it will give me a response in English. So this is how you can set the language for your AI chatbot. In case if you have any queries for the same, please do reach us at support@botpenguin.com. We will surely help you with your queries. Thank you for choosing BotPenguin.